Welcome to Technology Lab. Today we are going to learn about Hadoop installation. Let us learn about different type of Hadoop operation modes. We can operate Hadoop cluster in one of the three supported modes: local or standalone mode, pre-pseudo distributed mode, and fully distributed mode. Local or standalone mode. After downloading Hadoop in your system, by default it is configured in a standalone mode and can be run as a single Java process. Pre-pseudo distributed mode. It is a distributed simulation on single machine. Each Hadoop daemon such as HDFS, Yarn, MapReduce, etc. will run as a separate Java process. This mode is useful for development. Fully distributed mode. This mode is fully distributed with minimum 2 or more machines as a cluster. In this video, we will discuss about pre-pseudo distributed mode. Let us learn prerequisites of Hadoop installation. Prerequisites of Hadoop installation are operating system, user, SSH key, Java, and Hadoop. Linux-based operating system like Ubuntu and CentOS. In this tutorial, we are using Ubuntu. You need a user with name Hadoop in your system. You need SSH key for Hadoop user. You need to install the Java 8 package in your system. You require Hadoop 3.3.1 package. Now, let us create Hadoop user. First, we have to create Hadoop user. To create Hadoop user, we need to run sudo add user Hadoop command and provide details like name and password. Next, we need to change the user to Hadoop user using su Hadoop command. Next, we need to go to home directory of Hadoop user using cd tilde command. Now let us create user in practical. First we need to run sudo user Hadoop command. Then we need to provide the password. Then we need to provide the password for new user. Again we need to provide the password for new user. Now we need to provide the full name. We can keep blank, room number, and also work phone and home phone and other. Then you need to confirm. Now we need to change the user by using su and Hadoop. Need to provide the new user password. Now we need to go to the home directory of Hadoop. Now let us do SSH setup and key generation. Now we need to generate a SSH key for the Hadoop user. To generate a SSH key, we need to run SSH keygen -t and RSA command. Next, we need to copy the key into authorized key file using cat, then the path of id underscore rsa.pub, then copy to the path of authorized key. Next, we need to change the permission of authorized key file to 0600 using chmod 0600 and the path of authorized key. Now let us do SSH setup and key generation in practical. To generate SSH key, first we need to write SSH keygen -t and RSA command. Then we need to provide the path as a blank. Then we need to provide blank passphrase, and then our key will be generated. You can see this key in the command prompt. Now we need to copy this key into authorized key. That we can do by writing cat, then the path of SSH key, and then the path of authorized key. And then we need to press enter. Now we need to copy. Now we need to change the mode to 0600 using chmod 0600 and the path, and enter. Hope you learn about Hadoop installation. We will discuss more about Hadoop installation in next video. If you have any question about Hadoop installation, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. To get instant notification about our new videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.